Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, let me repeat that. It's virtual learning is okay, but no replacement for classroom.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can speak against it or you can speak for it. That depends on you. And the time allotted would be 3 minutes to each participant.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Okay. Start करो. Okay.
जो बोलेगा उसका वीडियो ऑन करो.
Let me tell you one thing. Those of you who are willing to participate, turn on your video individually and speak. After that, you have to mute yourself along with turning off the video. Okay?
Ma'am,
Let me call you the names so that we'll go according to that. Just a second. Who will be the first participant? Afrin Fatima from Young Blood Public School.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go on.
So I am visible.
Sorry.
So I am visible.
Time is 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So shall I start?
Yeah, you can.
A very wonderful morning to one and all presenting over here. Today I have been Fatima from Youngblood Public School. In front of you all to present a debate on the given topic. Learning is okay but has no replacement of classroom setting. As we all know, teaching in a classroom has on its own way and it is still used as a method since past, and also we are using it as a training tactic and also needed for the future generation as well as a means of learning how to lead, instruct and engage student in any type of class. Because of its nature of not
Sorry for the interruption, Afrin. Your voice is a bit lagging.
sir.
Your voice is a bit lagging. Could you please raise your voice a little bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Udit sir.
Wonderful morning to one and all presenting over here. Today I am Fatima from Youngblood Public School, standing in front of you. Standing in front of you. This virtual learning is setting. So
Others, please mute yourself. Let us speak alone.
the voice is disturbing, sir.
Okay. Please, everyone, it's a request that please mute yourself and let us speak alone. After that, you will be given chance. So please cooperate.
Yes. Have a wonderful morning to one and all presenting over here. Today I am Fatima from Youngblood Public School, standing in front of you all to present a debate on the given topic. Virtual learning is okay but has no replacement for classroom setting. As we all know, teaching is on its way and it is a method used from the past and still it is used as a learning material and also needed for the future generation as well as a means of learning to engage, interact, and teach students how to teach in any type of classroom setting. Virtual learning cannot replace the classroom setting because of its nature of not being real. Teaching in internet is not a real reality. It is a virtual reality. Now a question arises: does any type of learning in internet is not a real? No, it's not absolutely right. Teaching in virtual classroom where the teachers are real, the students are real, but the environment is not real. That's why it cannot replace the classroom setting. Classroom is a place which is real, technological, and touchable, where we can learn or teach students. The teacher encourages participation for the entire classes. The thoughts and ideas are being exchanged between the teachers and the student. But it cannot replicate the classroom setting. The interaction between the student and the teacher, the teachers and the student and student as well, where the thoughts are being exchanged, the ideas are discussed, the random question arises which provided a full scope of the subject which are being taught. For example, a student is taking classes in the online setting, and another student is taking offline classes. In online classes, the student will watch the videos, do complete assignment and provide assignment and hope for gain some grades. But in classroom setting, the student will listen to the teacher. There he can ask questions and gain some more knowledge about the topic which are being discussed among the students. In some situations, like the COVID, virtual learning has been important, but it cannot replace the classroom setting as we are not gaining full and proper knowledge of as much as our potential. Hence, finally, we can conclude that virtual learning is good, but it cannot replace the classroom setting. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Rafin.
The completed.
Sorry?
The completed.
Okay, completed. Very good. But then miss some point. It's okay, but if you see the current time, the COVID situation.
Sorry, sir, your voice is not
Another
clear.
option. It's lagging.
So your voice is not clear.
So we'll move to the next participant.
Sanghamitra Tripathi. Next participant, Sanghamitra Tripathi. The students जिसका ऑडियो ऑफ नहीं है, प्लीज ऑडियो ऑफ करो. संघमित्रा त्रिपाठी. Okay, Sanghamitra Tripathi, you can start now.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sanghamitra Tripathi from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhavani Patna.
Sanghamitra, click on your video, please.
Sanghamitra, video first on करो.
Turn on your video.
Yes, you can start now.
Start from the beginning.
Yes, you can start now.
Sanghamitra, you can start now.
You have muted your audio.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sanghamitra Tripathi from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhavani Patna. Today I got a golden opportunity to express my opinion in the favor of given topic. Virtual learning is okay, but no replacement for classroom. And please forgive me if there's a mistake. A virtual learning is defined as learning that can occur in the absence of classroom to students via web. Classroom learning involves face-to-face interaction among students and teachers. It is the place where teachers engage students and encourage the participation from the entire class and expand on the thoughts and ideas raised by the students. Thus, kind of interactions cannot done through virtual learning. Classroom learning is important as the children sit together and concentrate on a particular topic and discuss, and they can have creative ideas. They are able to learn new skills in such an environment, and the teacher has their full attention. It provides students a platform to engage themselves in group discussion and boost their self-confidence. Students can also interact with teachers and can clear their doubts. So some advantages of classroom learning are: classroom learning helps to promote collaborating learning. It increases student self-awareness about how students learn and enables to learn more easily and effectively. Classroom learning enhances critical thinking skills. Classroom gives students the opportunity to engage in live class sessions, in live discussion in which they have to use their critical thinking skills. Classroom learning builds organization skills such as being on time and to prepare their assignments before their due date time and to do their homeworks and as a, uh, and attentive how to organize their times. In classroom learning, teaching style can be modified according to the student issues. Classroom learning helps to develop important personality, careers, building skills, and real life things, and that cannot be done through virtual classroom. Classroom learning can give you skills and related things. It can involves extracurricular activities such as dancing, singing, debate, speeches, and etc. And that can be and can't be done through virtual learning. It helps students know and explains and explore more about new things and to show their talents. It will make students physically fit. Classroom learning helps to develop communicating skills. Daily interaction with teachers improves their skills to deal with and teach them how to live in a society. School organize exams which result in the formation of skills required in day-to-day life. After analyzation, I feel strongly that virtual learning is okay at its own place, and it can be replaced with classroom learning. I and affect student future. So lastly, I would like to conclude that classroom learning is much far better than virtual classroom learning is much far better than virtual learning. So thank you for listening me with patience. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Next candidate is
Bhaskar Sahu.
Sure, Vishnu.
Bhaskar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, next participant Bhaskar Sahu.
Sir, can I start? Sir?
Yes, you can start now.
Good morning to everyone, honorable judges, respected teachers, and all my loving brothers and sisters. विद्या नाम नरस्य रूपम अधिकम प्रच्छन्न गुप्तम धनम विद्या भोग करी यस सुख करी विद्या गुरु नाम गुरु विद्या बंधु जन विदेश गमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसु पूज्यते नहीं धनम विद्या विहीन पशु. Knowledge is the key of success. Through the knowledge we can attain our wisdom, we can attain our wit. Through the knowledge we can become educated. So to gain knowledge, school and colleges are open. So my limited knowledge, I am get privileged to say something about the given topic, digital learning versus classroom learning. In this corona crisis, a lot of people are facing a lot of problems. Both men and mankind are suffering a lot. Whole economic rise is been collapsed. People lost their jobs, and our school, colleges, office, universities are closed. Because of this, there is only one option that left for us, that is virtual learning. And first of all, we have to know what is virtual learning. Virtual learning is a platform in which both student and teacher, both disciple and its tutor, both gurus and shishya can accommodate together, can come together, means by the means of learning, by the means of teaching through internet from their different geographical location, and they can teach their student, and student can gain knowledge from it. Although in this corona situation we cannot go outside or go attend our school, that's why virtual learning have been work as a boon for us. This virtual learning save our time, save our distance which we spend to go to the school, but adversely it affected our health. As the coin have its two sides, virtual learning has its adverse effect in our health. The virtual learning is adversely affecting our body. One scientific survey said that our eyesight and our mind concentration is depleted due to this virtual learning. Sarira madhyamam khalu dharma sadhanam. Our health is our wealth. If our health is wasted, if our health is depleted, then what can we do in our future? So we should first have to concentrate in our health condition, and this virtual learning is greatly affected our eyesight, greatly affected our concentration of mind and our knowledge power. Due to this, the students are becoming mentally weak, although they are not also becoming physically strong. In our virtual learning platform, the students are becoming corrupted. I am not at all satisfied with the virtual learning platform because it is making the student corrupt, and it is the factory of corruption. Because in the examination, in the fear of losing their marks, students use various unusual, various unfair method, which help them to get a good mark, but not help them to get good future. That's why virtual learning is making students corrupt. This is depleting their honesty. This is depleting their integrity. In the other side, if we consider the classroom learning, we can get physical teacher who help us to motivate ourselves. We can get a tough competition which is help us to give our best. We can get an environment in which we can study and rise our knowledge and give our best output as possible. That's why the virtual learning is not at all competitive, as not at all qualified as our school platform. So at last, I want to say that this virtual learning is depleting our health condition, making us not fair. This virtual learning is also a platform which is depleting our body as well as our mind. So in this corona crisis, I want to say that we should minimize the use of this virtual learning. There is no other way to escape from this, but we should minimize its use so that we can save ourselves from further depletion. By this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
We are participating for a debate. Either you choose for the for section or against section, right?
Ma'am, I am in the against section.
Earlier you were talking like you were saying virtual learning is good in the certain stages, whatever you want to say. But after 2 minutes, you are started thinking against it. So when you are participating in a debate, choose the part. Which one you want to? Okay.
I am.
Anyway, you spoke very well. Next candidate or next PCS from our school only.
Sudipa Mon, Pragati Concept School, Sudipa Mon. इसका ऑडियो ऑफ नहीं है, प्लीज ऑडियो ऑफ करो. जिन लोग का ऑडियो ऑफ नहीं है, ऑडियो ऑफ करो प्लीज. प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर ऑडियो. Okay, Sudipa, you can start now.
Respected jury, teachers, and my dear fellow mates. A very good morning. Before that, a very good morning to everyone present all over here. Today, I am here to grab this opportunity to present my views in against of virtual learning. So, before starting the topic, let me introduce myself. I, Sudipa Mon of Pragati Concept School. So, let's start the topic. There is no doubt that we are facing the current situation, which is pandemic situation by COVID. So through this COVID situation, the all the educators are across the country, all the educators are the true leaders, are behaving as the true leaders. We are thankful to the ministers, we are thankful to everyone which have hand to hand, they have supported us. So now let's start the main topic which is going to be started. So the thing is that, but if I conclude, if I say you in two ways, that is in the virtual learning and in virtual learning and in classroom learning, that in virtual learning everything is good, but as comparison to the time taking, all the things are going to be the worst, because the student are getting distracted from the topic. They are not communicated with the student teachers. They are not, don't have the interaction with them, with the teachers. And most of the time students waste their times on social media in all the areas which is not good for the students. Nowadays the mentally and physically also people are getting more well there and good. So that's all.
Thank you, Sudeepa.
Thank you, Sudeepa. Very nice. But don't make language as a barrier when you
Nervousness
are
is, ma'am.
expressing your thought. Okay. अगर तुमको अपना thought, if you want to express it in other language, it's a debate competition, not a language competition. Okay. So if anybody is comfortable in
Language is just a medium.
it's just a medium. Debate is like you want to express your thoughts, your views. तो लैंग्वेज को बैरियर नहीं करो. जिसको अगर ओडिया में बात बोलना है, हिंदी में बोलना है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंग्लिश, दे कैन चूज दैट. ओके, ताकि तुम्हारे व्यूज, तुम्हारे थॉट्स इस बारे में हम लोग को क्लियर आ सके. ठीक है, राइट? तो आवर नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट विल बी सिद्धि फ्रॉम रायन इंटरनेशनल. सिद्धि फ्रॉम रायन इंटरनेशनल.
Sudeep from RAM International School.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Please tell me your name.
A very good afternoon to everybody. My name is Siddhi Bhabra and I'm from Ryan International School, Delhi, NCR. Today we have a debate topic of virtual learning is okay, but it is not a replacement for classrooms. And I shall stand for the side of that it is not a replacement for classrooms. I believe that classroom and more than virtual learning does. There is emotion of language. There is much more connection between a teacher and a student. We talk to our teachers without any barriers, without any internet network issues, and it is much more easier to clear our doubts at the same time. It promotes collaborative learning. We can do group studies, we can have group projects, and it also allows us to socialize more, make more friends. This thus creates and develops a personality among each of us. I believe that teacher and student learning each other in a much better manner would also help in differentiating the teaching style. That would be more effective for students to learn. It will also help us to connect more people, know more things. There would be no replacement for classroom and virtual learning. We will develop discipline when we are in front of our teachers, when we are sitting in a classroom in uniforms. There will be a sense of learning. In virtual learning, we learn at our own pace. Sometimes people may skip their classes and say that we can learn it later. But in actual classroom,
Your voice is a bit lagging.
Somehow your voice is not clearly audible.
sir, it may be possible because there is not enough internet over here in Delhi. Like in our area, there is a little bit of internet issue.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So continue. Yes, I was saying that to build critical thinking as well, as teachers may ask us question on the spot and we may answer it. There would be availability of different opinions at the same time without any lagging or something like that. Some students may not be able to present their opinions because of internet issues. As right now, you were saying that my voice was lagging. Yes, you are. Is my voice audible?
Yeah, your voice is audible.
Yes, I told about creating a sense of discipline and a sense of learning. And teachers' guidance are much more easier available. With this, I shall conclude that classroom has been no displacement for virtual learning. Prasid, please.
That's
can
audible,
you
ma'am.
type? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Siddhi. ये जान के बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हमारा ट्रेनिंग जो है कोई पढ़ यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा ऑडियो और हमारा प्रगति का प्रचार है दिल्ली इज नॉट लाइक कलाहंडी एंड दिल्ली दे आर लाइक नॉट ओनली लाइक मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी स्टेटस लोगों का हाँ सब कुछ कल्चर भी डिफरेंट है स्टिल वी हैव अ फ्रेंड लाइक सिद्धि who is connected to us in this pandemic situation we make a new bond हो सकता है इस पैंडेमिक से बहुत कुछ बुरा हुआ है लेकिन कुछ चीजें अच्छी भी हुई है देखो अगर ये चीज अभी ऐसा नहीं होता तो शायद हम से मिल भी नहीं पाते जिनसे शायद ही हम कभी पर्सनली मिल पाए ठीक है बट ड्यू टू दिस वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड ओनली वी आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर ठीक है तो अभी तक मैंने जिन्होंने भी सुना लोगों को सुना सबने क्लासरूम टीचिंग को ही प्रेफरेंस किया ओके लेट्स सी बाकी लोग क्या बोलते हैं नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट विल बी शिवांश नेगी फ्रॉम श्री सत्य साई भवानी पटना शिवांश नेगी
Connection particular
निहारिका पात्रो डी
निहारिका पात्रो from Pragati Concept School.
Yes, Niharika.
May I start?
Just start now.
A very good afternoon to all, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Niharika Patro, saying something about virtual learning is okay, but it cannot replace the classroom teaching. I am totally in favor of classroom teaching because I love it and it's totally motivational and concentration full. So, there is no doubt that we are facing the grim situation caused by the pandemic. So, through the pandemic, ma'am,
We cannot see your video.
ma'am, I think it's a network problem. Ma'am, I think it's a network problem.
Start again.
Okay. A very good afternoon to all, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Niharika Patru from Pragati Concept School, saying something about virtual learning is okay, but it cannot replace classroom teaching. I am totally in favor of the classroom teaching as because I got concentration and interaction from teachers and attention, and it's very good. So, there is no doubt that we are facing the grim situation caused by this pandemic. Through this pandemic, educators across the world have stood as the true leaders. And they have managed to hoist new sails, untouched water. However, in this current circumstances, the online teaching learning process can only be a supplement to the classroom teaching, and the virtual classroom cannot replace the traditional classroom because it is by its very essence or nature, it is not completely real. As we know that from the ancient times only, we have been from the times of Mahabharata and Ramayana, they are also teaching in the natural world from their teachers, face to face interactions. It is coming from that time. So it is that holistic and very pure. So interaction with teachers is a very good thing and makes us to learn new things, and we can also clear our doubts face to face. And sometimes in virtual learning, what happens, we get distracted in some random stuffs like social media, games, YouTubes, and etc. So the heads of educational institute have started delivering some knowledge through online mode and application, but this system cannot give a better education as like classroom teaching. As we have already faced a long-term lockdown from our from in 2020, so we know that how it is difficult to learn at home, concentrate in our studies. So I think classroom learning is okay instead of virtual learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Niharika. It was a good talk with you. I will like to ask the next candidate to appear. It's Siddharth Saha from Guidance Bhubaneswar. Siddharth Saha, Guidance Bhubaneswar.
Siddhartha, next participant, Siddhartha from Guidance Bhubaneswar.
Name of the candidate, Siddharth from Bhubaneswar.
I think he is not
Not available.
present now. Girls are more daring than boys. So next candidate will be Alka Priyadarshini Khamari. Alka Priyadarshini Khamari. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
I would
First, introduce yourself.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Yes, sir. One good morning to all teachers and all my friends. I am Alaka Priyasini Khamari from OAB Muribal. So, as in today's world, everyone is familiar with the virtual learning, which provide us various channels such as mail, online chat, and video conference through the through which teachers and the students interact with each other. While we are very much familiar with the classroom learning, in which the real place to learn and to teach, it is the place where the teachers engage students, encourage participation from the whole class, and expand their ideas and the thoughts. Teacher students interaction is very much important for the learning process, while the virtual classroom is tries to overcome the lack of teachers to students interaction through the implementation of live lecturing, video chatting, and messaging with multiple students. However, the efforts creates a classroom environment simply cannot be afford compete with the real one. Assessing the online classes with internet enabled device is very much common, but some school going students may not afford these. Studies suggest that children learn better through the face-to-face interaction and group studies. Virtual learning may not clear our doubts completely, and we are unable to interact with our teachers. In addition, classroom lessons are good for students as they learn to become disciplined. Education not limited in a syllabus only. It includes disciplines, manner, and morals. These are difficult to teach them online teaching. The teachers are real, the students are real, the materials are real, but the atmosphere is not the real one. That's why virtual learning is okay, but cannot replace the classroom learning. So thank you. Have a good day.
Welcome. Yes, bye.
The audio.
Audio. जागृति माझी प्रगति कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Pendra Sahu.
शुभेंदु साहू.
Pendra, please. Pendra Sahu. Pendra Sahu, audio off करो.
शुभेंदु साहू, ऑडियो ऑफ करो.
Subhendu, please mute yourself.
शुभेंदु साहू, please mute yourself. Okay, Jagriti is start now.
Very good afternoon to one and all present over here. As you know me, I am Jagriti Majhi, and today I am totally of the real classroom teaching, and I totally agree with the given topic that no virtual learning is okay for this pandemic, but it cannot replace the real classroom learning. We have never thought this pandemic will bring us to, will make us bound to appear this virtual learning or to take up a method to learn through this virtual teachings with our phone or our tabs or our laptops. But like I am presenting this debate in a virtual method right now. It is also a kind of virtual learning. We are getting to learn something, but just ask yourself, are you comfortable with this environment? Are you going to, are you facing that encouragement with, if we would, am I audible?
Now you are audible.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible now.
Okay, ma'am.
Go on.
So just ask yourself that, are you facing that encouragement around are you facing that environment around yourself? Personally, giving my views with this environment, I'm not getting that encouragement around me. So also, if we would study in a real classroom, we are getting a type of motivation and a type of competition. We will get that time management, also that strategies to how to learn, and also not only around the studies, but we will also have that type of fun and mocks with our friends. And also, the strongest point about the real classroom is that the student can clearly and fully express herself or himself to the teacher, and they can get a face-to-face interaction between them. Also, we get a group discussion in our real classroom, and if I don't know anything, then I can get to learn from the other student if you know anything about that given about that topic. Also, no one would disturb us in the real classroom, whereas on the other hand, if we will talk about the virtual learning, then obviously some type of network issue is going to we are going to face, right? And also what we are getting a motivation from the teachers that we are getting we can express clearly ourselves to the teachers. The environment of the real learning classroom cannot duplicate to the virtual learning. So I think my given 3 minutes are now going to be end. So at last, I want to say that we are bound to have this virtual learning in this pandemic. To minimize the losses, our education minister has decided to put up or set up this type of learning. And yeah, I can't say it is totally not good, but yeah, we can, but it cannot replace the real classroom learning. Okay, thank you. With this, I would like to end my debate.
Jagrati, okay, thank you. Okay, our next participant will be Suchismita Panda. Suchismita Panda from Sri Satya Sai.
Next participant, Suchismita Panda from Satya Sai, Sri Satya Sai Vidya Mandir, Bhavani Patna.
Sir, my voice is audible?
Yes, your voice is audible.
So, ma'am, can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Good evening to everyone, one and all present here. My name is Suchismita Panda. I am from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Mandir. So I want to say about few lines about virtual learning is okay, but there is no replacement for classroom. So from this, I would like to start. Virtual learning or online learning provides various channels such as video conference, online chat, etc., through which the student and the instructor can interact with each other. Uh, but in the classroom, there is only one channel through which they can communicate with each other. Many students have a visual memory and they are interested in online mode of teachings. Virtual learning is opted nowadays because of the shutdown of schools and institutions. It is beneficial for an extended because there is no fear of getting to be scolded and one can study easily in a comfortably manner. But a teacher and a teacher and student relationship is best in the classroom only. Um, um, but in the interaction of the and the question asked by the students to the teachers or in the school uh, can be good, but at the online interaction cannot be listened by all the students. I agree with the fact that it is the need of the hour to conduct the virtual classes at the situation for it. But in my opinion, the classroom is the good way to conduct classes because it gives more knowledge about environment and various things. Moreover, in the schools or in the colleges, there is exams, competitions through which the students can get more skills. In this situation of global crisis, global health crisis, the virtual system of learning has proved its merits. But accepting the virtual method doesn't mean that rejecting the traditional method. Both the virtual and classroom learning has its own importance. Nowadays, it is going on the pandemic. Virtual learning is more important so that the learning or the education of children is not hindered. Classroom is the most important thing because students are sit together and they can concentrate in the particular topic. They are able to know more things due to the environment, and the teachers can concentrate in their attention to the students. Moreover, thus forms both forms of teachings have their own place. The students are left no option other than virtual learning due to the coronavirus.
Smita, I would like to interrupt you. Like your 3 minutes are over. So fine, you speak very good, you spoke very good, है ना, बहुत अच्छे से तुमने बोला है। लेकिन वही है, कभी भी लैंग्वेज को बैरियर मत रखो। अगर तुम बोलना कुछ चाह रही हो, है ना, तो वो तुम्हारे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की वजह से हो सकता है ना। डोंट मेक इंग्लिश सच अ बिग डील, है ना। इंग्लिश इज नॉट लाइक एवरीथिंग, है ना, इट्स जस्ट अ मीडियम, है ना। तुम अगर डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हो, सेम थिंग गोज फॉर ऑल। बाइलिंगुअल भी हो सकता है, तुम यू कैन यूज बोथ द लैंग्वेज टू एक्सप्रेस योर व्यू, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके,
Thank you, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सरस्वती पंडा, who have texted me. Saraswati Panda, are you there?
Saraswati Panda, from which school? Saraswati Panda. Next participant, Saraswati Panda.
From which school?
Raise your hand.
अगर कोई इंटरेस्टेड है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मेंशन कैंडिडेट, दे कैन इंट्रोड्यूस देमसेल्फ एंड स्पीक। ओके, सो आई थिंक नोबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड एनीमोर, ठीक है।
हेलो
तो
मैम।
मैं चाहूंगी कि हमारे इंग्लिश, हाँ हेलो, हु इज दिस,
हेलो
कैन यू
मैम।
स्पीक अप योर
Ma'am, I am Gautami Agrawal. I want to speak a speech.
Okay, sure, you can. So turn on your video, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video. Gautami Agarwal. From which school are you from?
Ma'am, from YBPS Kisinga.
Oh,
You can start now. You can start now.
Good morning, good afternoon, teachers. Here, this is Gautami Agrawal from YBPS Kisinga, and today I am here to give a speech on the given topic. Virtual learning is okay, but no replacement for the classroom learning. Before I come to my topic, here is a slok. Vidyam dadati vinayam, vinaya dati patratam, patratvatah dhanalapoti dhanatadar matata sukham. It means that we get ability from the study and ability to do something, then we can get job, and then we can get money, and then we can get success and happiness in our life, and hence we can know that to achieve something there is nothing but the learning. So here the topic is reality and the virtual learning. So virtual learning is cannot replace the classroom learning, because it is the very essence or nature but not completely real. Teaching on the internet is the teaching in virtual reality but not in the reality. Does that mean that any type of education or given or received on the internet is not real? Absolutely not. The teachers are real, the students are real, the materials are real, and that is, however, the atmosphere is not real, and that is why the virtual learning cannot replace the classroom learning. The classroom is the real, tangible, touchable to teach and to learn. It is a place where teachers engage with students, encourage participation from the entire class, expand on the thoughts, and raise ideas by the students. These interactions cannot be duplicated in a virtual learning. Teachers to student interactions, student to teacher interactions, and student to student interactions are all the part of a learning experience. The virtual classroom tries to overcome the lack of teacher to student interactions through the implementation of live lecturing, video chatting, and messaging with the multiple students. However, these efforts to create a classroom environment simply cannot compete with the real thing. There is another drawback that teacher cannot monitor a student with their body language and ensure their focus. Our main motive is to get education, and technology has narrowed the bridge between the modern technology like a classroom and the virtual teaching. A teacher student relationship in a real classroom cannot be replaced by a virtual teaching. The questions which a student can ask in a classroom is not possible virtually. Education is not limited to the syllabus only. It is also includes discipline, morals, manners, and interactions with the student and the teachers. These traits are difficult to inject through online teaching. At last, I want to say that classroom teaching is where it all started, and it continues to be the place where teachers develop their styles of instructing, where it is always and forever. Hats off to the classroom. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautami. Well said. I liked your speech a lot. Well said. So
thank you,
I
ma'am.
think we have this activity today session. Activity today. Okay. So we will like to ask our English teachers what is their opinion about virtual teaching versus classroom teaching. I would like to request Sabyasachi sir, our English teacher, to speak some points or few lines on this topic, please.
Good afternoon to all. Actually, I would like to thank all the members to organize such kind of a very pleasant and delicate activities portion, and I feel truly privileged being a part of this activity. So the nice topic, virtual learning is okay, but it is not a replacement of the classroom. I am totally giving my assurance and my opinion that virtual learning cannot be the replacement of classroom, because in the classroom there is the essence of education, and most of the time we are get acquainted with the students, and we know very well how the students and what is the motive of the student, what is their eagerness. But in the virtual learning, it is not possible to acquaint freely with the students, and it seems that whenever there is the two sides, in the opposite side there is the student, and in the other side there is a student, and in medium through this camera, sometimes I personally feel that I am teaching to camera, not the student. So for that reason, the essence of classroom is totally absent in the virtual world. So whenever, as soon as possible, I pray to the God that this pandemic situation is over and the students will come to the classroom, and we will get the delicacies, the pleasure, the essence of classroom, and the participants, those who had already delivered your speech, are very, very good, and your positive thinking, your originality are very, very appreciable. Thank you all. Stay home, stay blessed. God bless you.
Thank you, Sabyasachi sir. हमने Sabyasachi sir के expressions and thoughts we liked a lot.
So I would like to request Dr. Pradhan sir to share.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thanks a lot for participating and making this competition a very informative and virtual and classroom learning, these two cannot separate, but for the time being, we have to cope up with the situation like virtual learning. I won't say, or I'm not in favor of virtual learning, but then for the time being, we have to cope up with it so that your education won't be interrupted. And there are a lot of bugs, or I would say lags in virtual learning that sometimes network issue, some can't even afford, some of like cheating. So that's not a good thing. So that's not a good thing. How you that truly depends on you how you, because at the end of the day, what you need is education. What you need is education. Because of this current pandemic, classrooms are the hostels are not allowed. The hostels are not allowed. So I hope this too shall pass soon, and would be able to interact each other in the classroom physically, so that would create a very good bonding as well as a positive atmosphere among all. So thank you all for your opinion. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, Brother. हमने सब कुछ बोला. I have some views too. Okay. Classroom teaching cannot replace, or virtual teaching cannot replace classroom teaching. But in my view, in our country, schools are places where schools are not there. Internet facilities are available due to the reliance network, to the companies. But schools are not available. Basic level of teaching are not able to provide this. So, according to me, classroom teaching must come with virtual teaching. I think so. See, ऐसा होता है ना कि हो सकता है teaching not come to school. Okay. When it comes for the theory and all part, if we can't do the honest to ourselves, अगर हम अपने समझा नहीं so for the business students, it is very necessary for the grown up enough understand that क्यों जरूरी है लर्निंग को आगे जिंदगी में चलना है. अगर हम नहीं करते तो क्या होगा? टीचिंग करके आज हम नंबर डालोगे आने वाले दिनों में ठीक है. तो मेरे हिसाब से मेरा ओपिनियन है, आई मे बी रॉन्ग, कि वर्चुअल टीचिंग इज आल्सो गुड. देखो अभी अगर वर्चुअल टीचिंग वाला टेक्नोलॉजी इतना एडवांस नहीं हो पाता तो some people have told like in the time of groups and all, अभी भी वो ग्रुप में होता तो इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पाते ना. everything some good and bad. कुछ everything has a good and bad. So it is up to us individuals how we are utilizing that, how we are using it. So I am very glad that actually I am very glad that many girls participated, and I am very sad that few of the students I would not mention their names, those who have participated and later they withdraw their name. It is not good. देखो ये तो एक छोटा सा एक ओकेजन का एक्टिविटी था, तो तुमको पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. क्या होता है इससे तुम्हारा अंदर का फियर जाएगा, आगे सामने वाले बोल पाना एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. तुम्हारे टाइम पे मैं भी इतना ही घबराती थी जितना आज लोग घबरा रहे हैं. आज मेरे को देखो बोल जा रही हूँ क्या लेटर ये सब जितना बोलोगे जितना सब चीज में पार्टिसिपेट करोगे ना उतना एक्सपोजर होता है. पीडी बोलते हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होता है. लोग पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट कोर्स करने जाते हैं, क्यों नहीं हम उससे क्यों बेटर हो जाए. राइट. तो रिजल्ट विल बी डिक्लेयर्ड लिटिल बिट लेटर, है ना, ग्रुप में बता दिया जाएगा. Apart from that, everything हर एक स्टूडेंट का अच्छे बोला है. हमारा जो इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम इतने दूर तक गया है, भुवनेश्वर से बच्चे आ रहे हैं क्लास करने. जरूर हम लोग कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं जो टीचिंग टू यू आर लाइकिंग इट. So let's make this bond more stronger day by day. हम लोग ये bond more strong होगा. एक बात है कि we are available for you every day. Just you have to make a call or just you have to. That's it. Every teacher. देखो ना हम लोग आज already like 30 over still we are doing. So we want it. That's it. Okay. Thank you. So I would like to Udit sir, over to you, Udit sir.
Who is the
Thank you,
winner?
Jolly ma'am. Thank you, Pradhan sir. And thank you, Sobhesh sir. And thank you, my dear kiddos, who are participate directly or indirectly in this competition. Okay, stay safe, stay indoor, stay home.
Who is the winner?